actually the next day, just when I was getting ready to get into this box and open it up, somebody pulled in the driveway, and anyway, life got in the way. So, and now I think there might be an Amazon driver. I tell you, I know Nitro sees them. Let me show you. So I think there's a vehicle out there, but he doesn't seem overly concerned. He was almost just sleeping a minute ago. All right, so anyway, let's get into our fashion box. This is the mystery box. Like I said, this is 5 items for $55. It's such a good buy. And there is no returns or exchanges. There's also no preview. You can kind of still put a note in with what you're looking for, though. And of course, if you fill out your style profile, they have your sizes and everything, so everything should fit you. Okay, but let's go ahead and see what we got. There's some pretty bright colors. Here we go. There's our sneak peek. So we'll see what this is. You know what, I'm just thinking as I'm opening this, I know I had messaged the owner that some of the sizes were too big, but I don't know if I did it in my profile last time. Oh, I'm gonna be so upset if I forgot to change my profile sizes. I did do it with Daily Look, I did do it with Wannable, and I did do it with Stitch Fix, but I don't know that I did it with FASHOM. I think I even did it with Trendsend, maybe. I don't know, I better check Trendsend too. So anyway, let's get into this and see, and if it fits, it fits. So let's see if I can see a size. Oh, well, this is a small, so that's a good news. All right, so this is a little green dress. This is cute, multi-pattern. It's like striped and polka dotted, and looks like it's got like a cross in the front like that. Something like that. And yeah, that's cute. All right, I can't wait to try that on and see if that fits. Then we have, I guess I did, because these are all smalls. So, and now I'm afraid they will be too small. I just can't get used to it. This looks like a camp shirt to me, like something I'd wear with, you know, a camp shirt. It's like a polyester blend, but it feels like it's also maybe a little water resistant, a little bit of stretch to this, which is so nice. This is from Always and Forever, a brand that I've never heard of. I have no idea. Beautiful, beautiful bright color. Probably cute with some white shorts or something like that. I need shorts, but I'm not buying anything on the bottoms yet. Oh, there's shorts. Are there shorts in here? Is this shorts? Yeah, there's a pair in here, just black. And they're in smalls. Oh, good luck, Terry. Good luck. We'll see if they fit. Cross your fingers. It makes me so nervous. All right. Like, I know, like, I get sizes too big, but because I, like, am paranoid, and then then they come in the right size, and I'm worried that they're going to be too small. I'm just not confident in it yet. Anyway, this is really cute. Look at this. So this obviously has ties here, so you can tie it shorter, which I'm going to need to do. But what a cute little summer cami. It's a little summer top. I like that. That's really cute. All right. That'll be cute with those jean shorts too. And then maybe another cami, and this one has pearls on it. Oh, I think I got one like this from them a while ago. Yeah, I did. This is Naked Zebra. I think maybe my friend Favor did too. But this is a different color and so pretty. Can you see how nice that is? Those are the sleeve or the little straps. How pretty. So this would be cute with like like a little lacy, like I'm seeing like a white or a cream like bralette under this, that where the lace would show. That's super cute. All right, so those are my items. I'm actually waiting, it's Father's Day, I'm waiting for Robert to come back. He went to feed the feral cats. So I'm waiting on him. I think we're going to do dinner or something with his kids tonight. So I will try to find some time to try these on and show you what they look like. And I'll see you guys here in just a few minutes. Okay guys, it's like a week later and I finally am trying on my FASHOM outfits. And this top is the perfect example of why you should try everything on. I would say that this top was definitely not my favorite in this box. I like everything in here, and this was like, yeah, it's okay. Maybe I'll wear it. It wasn't really my style. But when I put it on, it actually is super, super cute. And then I have the Just Black shorts on in a small, and they're great too. So let me back up and well, I'm gonna come down here and show you. So I had this one buttoned here too. You can button it up a little. I just undid it because I honestly had a tank that I thought looked cute under it, the little pop of like a lighter coral peachy color under there. So, but where are we crooked here? So, but this is very slimming, which is so nice. So I'm gonna back up here. Let's see if this will work and show you guys the jeans. So the jeans aren't so long, but like right where my fingertips hit is where they go. They fit really good. Because I've been having some issues of like gapping, and even with my belts, I can't it's not been working really well. So I'm glad to have a pair of jeans or jean shorts now that fit. And this does sort of remind me of a little camping shirt, but I like it, and I think it's going to be a great little shirt for the cool or the hot summers here to just like if I'm like messing around the garden. This is a good gardening outfit right here for me. I like it. So I like both. So I'm going to keep the shorts on. I'm going to try on, I have 2 tank tops that I'm going to try on over this little tank top that I have on. Oh, this I think got stuck in my necklace. Yeah, it did. What did I do? What did I do? There we go. All right, so this one, by the way, is Always and Forever is the brand. But I like it because it's like one of those that doesn't look like it's super wrinkly, and it's like got a little stretch to it. Be cute with white underneath it as well. All right, so let's try on the other tanks. Okay, you're gonna have to excuse the bra straps because I've got this like bustier bra with these big thick straps on today. It's like I don't know, like a bralette, and it's really big. But anyway, this has the really pretty pearls on it. I think I actually tightened this up a little more than I should have, but it's okay. So let's bring you guys down. And here is this tank. I probably would wear this tank for work, and wear a little cardigan with it or a blazer for work. But I typically don't wear this style out for the summer, just like with a pair of shorts. But I do like this. I like the color. I think the color is so pretty. This is a color that I've been pretty into this season. So yep, that fits beautifully and works, and I like it. Very, very beautiful. I have the other tank top that is like a black background, I think black or blue, and it's got a pretty floral design, so we'll try that on next. This one is more of a little baby doll style. I need to retie these, but I think for the purpose of the video, you're gonna get the point the way it is. And it's really cute too. It's like a little baby doll style. Very cute. Again, another really pretty one to wear with like my black blazer for work. Or red. I have a red blazer that I think would also, I have white blazer. I think I might even have a blue blazer, like a navy blue. I don't have any more, I don't think I have a teal one anymore, but I have black, red, white, and maybe blue. And that's really cute. That's actually something I probably would. This one isn't silky. This is more like a polyester. So this one I might just use like to wear out for summer wear. But I like that I can add to it and wear a little cardigan or a blazer over it and turn it into a work piece too. So here is this piece. And remember, this box was only $55 for all 5 pieces. So the 3 I showed, the 2 other tops, this one, this, and these pants, and then I got a dress, and we'll be trying that little green dress on next. Oh, here's the back. Maybe I should show you that. So I need to adjust the straps, so I don't know what's going on with them. I gotta fix that part. Okay, this is so cute. It is not actually a dress. It is like a jumper. It kind of looks like a dress from the top, but it is a little romper that looks like a dress. This is cute. This was a little confusing to get in. There is, so there's a zipper on this side, and you do need to, you have to unzip that to get in, and then you put your legs and your arms in, and then you take this, and there's buckle here, and you just like kind of tighten it from there. And it's a V-neck, and it's just so cute. But here it is. What a fun piece. I like this. Very different and very fun. Really cute. And it's nice because like today I'm a little bloated, so because I just ate a bunch of stuff I shouldn't eat. So this little flap kind of covers your pooch up too, which is bonus. So cute. So yeah, $55 for all 5 pieces. That's $11 per item. It is a final sale, no exchanges, no returns. So these are mystery boxes. I hope you guys will check out FASHOM. I'll have my link down below for you if you would like to order a mystery fashion box. I mean, you can't really beat these prices for $11 a piece of clothing. You just can't. There's nothing else out there right now doing that. So anyway, I hope you guys loved it. I've liked everything that's in here. There was nothing I didn't like. This is a second mystery box that I have gotten from FASHOM, and I've loved both of them. I've loved them both. So hope you guys have a wonderful day. All the information will be linked down in the description box for you. I have been trying to also remember to pin a comment in the comment section. So if for some reason you don't see that, just comment down below and I will make sure that I add that in. So have a wonderful day, guys. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more fashion and beauty. I have a Stitch Fix and a daily look that will be coming up shortly for you as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye guys, thanks for hanging out.